Miss Sadaf, are we ready to bake our big apple pie?
Yes, Star. Let's get baking.
These apples, they look so bright and shiny.
Yes, these apples are perfect. They will be so sweet and tasty.
Let's peel the skin.
Sure, I will peel them carefully, Star. Watch how the ribbon slides.
What are we doing next, Miss Sadaf?
We need to slice our sweet apples, Star.
They look like little yellow boats when you slice them.
Yes, we need thin slices so they bake nicely.
Let's now make the dough.
Wow, thank you, Star. Now we need to mix these all together to make the dough.
I could help with that. Let's clear the table to roll the dough flat.
Perfect, Star. Let's roll it out thin and smooth.
Let's roll the dough flat, then lay it inside our round pie tin.
Yes, press the edges. Look how perfectly it fits.
Now let's fill up the pie crust with our sweet apples.
Perfect!
What else should we add?
We need cinnamon.
And sugar. I'll handle that. Now we need to place the top dough.
Wow, a basket weave. It looks beautiful, Star. Now we need to bake it.
I'll handle that. Into the oven it goes. Wow, it smells so good!
Hope you enjoyed our pie baking video. See you soon. Bye!